is me again. I wanted to know if you guys can subscribe me because I just started and I don't know what to do. Okay. I would like, if you would like me, do something. I really bad one.
Oh yeah, and one more thing. If you have any pointers for her that, like, if there's something wrong with her videos, just tell her about it. Don't be like, why did you do that? Just tell her not to do it next time, because she'll listen to you, probably. Okay, if someone did that to me on my channel, I'd be like, bitch, I'm just gonna do it again to annoy the shit out of you. But she's gonna be like, I want to act all innocent, then I'm gonna go, BAM! Okay. I'm a very crazy person.
Cause I just started and I want to know if you can add, just got video.
Video Gamer 12 will I'll try to put an annotation like somewhere about it. But subscribe to her because she wants to know.
Or comment, do anything, okay?
Yeah.
I want to know! Oh, this will be your head.
Wait. Or unless you've already subscribed, or unless you're watching her videos, because I told you, because on my channel I'm going to be like, subscribe to her, and unless you're already subscribed to me, then, if you're subscribed to me or watch my videos, I love you. You're my future wifey. Or hubby. I don't care, I'll go either way. I'll go either way.
I spit it out. You made me laugh too hard. I'm not putting that up.
Okay. And one more. Wait, did you post that video of you singing? Which one? The video of you singing. I'll go get it.
What's the one?
Yeah.
I did Look at Me Now, and then I did Me Dancing to every song.
Okay. So if you want to keep on doing those singing videos, comment on this video.
And then you can
subscribe, or do
and then you can comment down there. And then you can tell me the songs to sing or dance to, and I'll try to do them. Okay? Okay. I love you guys. Bye.
It's my dress. I don't like wearing shorts underneath.
Bye.